If you wake up every morning and your knees feel stiff, achy, or like they're full of sand, this video is for you, because what most people over 60 don't realize is this: your knee pain isn't just wear and tear. Something inside your joints is quietly disappearing every single year, and there's a simple morning drink that can help slow that down and bring real relief. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to make and why it works. Here's what's happening inside your knees right now. Your joints are cushioned by two things: cartilage, which acts like a shock absorber, and synovial fluid, which keeps everything moving smoothly. Think of it like the oil in a car engine. After 60, your body produces less and less of the protein that maintains both of these. That protein is called collagen. And here's the part most people don't know. After the age of 30, your body loses roughly 1% of its collagen every single year. By your 60s, that loss has added up. The cushioning thins, the fluid dries up, and every step, every morning, you feel it. But here's the good news: you can give your body the building blocks it needs through what you eat and drink. This morning drink combines 3 ingredients that researchers have studied specifically for joint pain and inflammation. You probably already have 2 of them in your kitchen. Ingredient 1, turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin. Studies have shown it works directly on the inflammatory pathway in your joints, the same pathway that causes that deep morning ache. One study even compared it to a common anti-inflammatory drug and found similar results for knee pain relief. To make curcumin work, you need 2 things with it: black pepper and a healthy fat. Both help your body absorb it properly. Ingredient 2, ginger. Ginger has been used for joint pain for centuries, and modern research backs it up. It contains natural compounds called gingerols that block the same inflammation signals as some pain medications, without the stomach side effects. For seniors with knee stiffness, ginger is one of the most gentle and effective natural options available. Ingredient 3, collagen peptides. This is the one most people miss. Collagen peptides are a powdered supplement that dissolves completely in liquid. When you consume them, your body uses them to help repair cartilage and joint tissue. Studies on adults with knee osteoarthritis have shown measurable improvements in pain and mobility after consistent use. 10 grams per day is the amount most research points to. Here is exactly how to make this drink each morning. Start with 1 cup of warm water, not boiling, just warm. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, or a small slice of fresh ginger if you have it. Add a small pinch of black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil. This is your healthy fat for absorption. Then stir in 1 scoop of collagen peptides powder, about 10 grams. You can add a squeeze of lemon for taste. Some people add a small amount of raw honey. Stir everything together and drink it first thing in the morning before breakfast. That's it. 1 drink, 5 minutes to make. Now, this is not a miracle cure. Your knees did not get stiff overnight, and they won't recover overnight either. Most people who drink this consistently report noticeable changes within 3 to 4 weeks. Less stiffness when they get out of bed, less aching after a walk, easier movement through the day. The key word is consistently. This drink works the same way exercise works, only when you show up every day. If your knees have been slowing you down, you deserve to know that there are real natural tools that can help. This drink costs less than $1 a day. The ingredients are safe, the research is solid, and thousands of people over 60 are already using turmeric and collagen every single morning. Start tomorrow. Make it part of your routine, and pay attention to how your knees feel in 4 weeks. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more people over 60 find this channel. And subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you there.